Hi everyone, I'm Neha. Wherever you are right now, if you have earphones or if you have a peaceful place where you don't have any noise, just close your eyes, just follow the instructions and practice quick meditation along with me for a better mind and a peaceful mind. Let's get started. If you don't have any space to sit as a yoga mat or something, doesn't matter. Sit on a chair or a bed or on a yoga mat. Be comfortable, sit in Vajrasan, Sukhasana or any other posture. Make sure your spine is straight and close your eyes. Now, as you close your eyes, first thing, take your entire attention to your mind and see what do you feel right now. Now, slow down the process of your breath. See to it that your breath is longer and peaceful. A long breathe in and a long breathe out. As you breathe in and breathe out, observe the changes of your body, especially the chest and the stomach. Your mind is stable, your body is stable, your chest and your stomach expands along with your breathing and contracts along with your breath out. Observe this for a while. A simple process of breath where air is entering through your nostril, moving through your throat towards the chest and the stomach. As you exhale all the way from your stomach through the chest, throat, and the nostril. And this repeats. The moment you slow down your breath, you can feel the peace, a kind of a relaxation in the body and the mind. Now take your awareness to the surrounding and the sound, whatever you could hear. Try not to analyze any sound you hear, just observe. It could be any sound which you could hear around you. From the sound around you, take your attention back to the body. Just observe the posture in which you are sitting. Your spine is straight with your eyes closed. Observe the posture. Now take your attention to your mind and the thoughts. What kind of a thoughts you would get? Try not to analyze, just watch them. Most of the thoughts are not relevant to you at this point. With all the awareness, let the thoughts go away and get your focus back to the breath again. As you breathe in and breathe out, start counting your breath 10 times. Inhale and exhale is going to be 1. Count your breath 10 counts in your mind. Once you are done with your counts, take your focus back to the fingertips, your palm, without any thoughts in your mind. Get your both the palm together and gently rub your both the palm. Drop it on your eyes and the face. Cover your palm on your face. Hold it for a second and feel your palm on your face. Open your eyes and look into your palm. This was a very quick meditation which you can practice anytime during your work or in between your work timing when you feel like you need a quick break. All you need is a bit of awareness on yourself. So try to practice this whenever you feel like you want a break. This could be the one. Thank you so much.